Good evening to all. As per the today's topic, we'll start with the string as per the pooling given by the students. Today's topic is we'll discuss few MCQs based on the string, find out the output, find out the error, and in some cases you have to write down the statement also, and information is going to be displayed. How we are going to write the statement to display the information. Even in some cases you will have the information, you have to write the identify the exact code, which code is suitable to get this desired output, and which one of the following is true, which one of the following is false. Like this variety of questions will be available to you in MCQ. At the end we'll go for the programs. So we'll begin with the first one. It says that, I think chatting is open for all of you. Yes, chatting is open for all of you. So the first one, what do you mean by string is immutable in Java? When we are saying is string is immutable, what do you mean by this immutable? With respect to that, it has given two statements. A string object that cannot be altered. What do you mean by altered? Which can be modified is called your altered. The reference to the object, that means whichever is referring to the string object can be changed. So what is this reference is called? Based on that, answer will be decided. What is the string object is called? Based on that, answer will be decided. Let's see what are the options. It says that option 1 is true, 2 is true, both is true, both is false. Now it is your turn to give. Sound is not clear. Sound is not clear to everyone. Are you getting the sound properly or any disturbance in the sound? Because from my side I checked, sound is okay, sound is given, and internet strength is okay. Achha, yes, it is proper, it's clear. Swastik, just restart your device or else use your phone if somebody is getting little bit problem in a sound. Okay, Ruturas given the answer 1C. Both are correct. Can you explain, Ruturas, why the first one is correct? Sir, question is not understood properly. Okay. Sorry, sir. 1B. 1B. 2 is true. Okay. Ishan, A is true. Sir, can you give one example of 1 and 2? Yes, sir. Unable to understand the question. Okay. Okay. How many of you are unable to understand the question? Let me see those who have understood. First of all, they will make me understand. Okay. Any one of you? Okay. Maximum is saying not understood. Okay. Let me take you to the Java screen to make you understand this one. Now here it is saying when I'm taking a string object over here, I'm saying string s is equals to this. Okay, fine. When I'm saying that s of 0 position, can you tell me what it contains as of 0 position? Can anybody tell me what is there? Can anybody tell me what is there in 0 position? T. Fine. Good. So this one is referring. This one is referring. to this object. This is your object. This is your reference. Is it clear? Now I'm saying S of 0 is equal to, I'm saying P. Now can you tell me what is the effect that it is doing? Is it clear? Can you tell me what is the effect it is doing in that particular 0 position? I'm not ignoring anyone because your name is not clear to me. Evils Yadav. So that's why I'm ignoring you. If you'll join with your real name, then I will answer you. Okay, can you tell me what is the effect it is providing to A of 0 position or in the string? What exactly it is going to store? Any one of you? If I'm saying S of 0 is equal to P, is there any change that is going to be made in the string? If it is, then what will be the answer? T. It's clear that 0 position contains T after storing the data. Is it only T or the complete string will be changed? Is it clear? Can you tell me what exactly the data is going to be in S now? Yes, nobody? If I'm using the statement S of 0 is equal to P, then what will be the string now? What will be the contents of the string S? Sorry, it is Elvis Yadav. Got it. I read it in not in a proper manner. It is Elvis Yadav. So I don't know who is that particular candidate. Okay, so here it is going to show error because we can change the complete string, but we cannot change a part of a string. A particular unit or element of a string cannot be changed. So that's why this part is going to generate an error message. Got it? Understood why it is going to generate an error message? I'm showing you the error. First of all, understood this one, why it is going to generate error message? Yes, understood. Now the next part we'll see. The next part says that this mechanism says that the string is immutable. But if I'm saying the complete one, I'm saying system dot out dot print, I'm saying S. But after this, I'm saying S is equal to try this, and I'm displaying S again. Look at the output. In the first case, I'm using println to make you comfortable to see. Println, just check it out over here. When I'm using S, it is displaying this. When I'm using try this, look at this. Got any difference? When I'm saying S is equal to this, it is displaying me this. But after that, I have modified try this, and I'm displaying S. It is displaying try this instead of this. But when I'm trying to modify an element over here, it is not allowing me to do. That's why it is called immutable. What do you mean by immutable? If I want to alter or change an element of a string, it is restricted. We cannot change. But I can change the complete string. Everyone got it? Give me a confirmation. Everyone got it? If it is, then we'll move towards the question. Yes, understood. Now we can move towards the question. Well, look at the question, what the question is saying. A string object that cannot be altered. So which one it is restricting that we cannot alter? String object. Now, the second point says that the reference of the object, to whom it is referring. The object is referring to whom? The matter or the information that is stored can be changed. The information that is stored, that can be changed. But whatever stored in the object cannot be altered. So now, can you tell me which one is true out of these two? According to immutable. According to immutable. B, C, both are correct. C, good. B, B. Quick, quick, quick. Still confused. Okay. But you said previously, yes, sir, understood. Now you are saying still confused after seeing the question. Now, let me explain you. The answer is both are correct because the string object, which one is string object? The S is called string object. Look at the example that I had given earlier. String S is equal to, I had given some information inside this. That cannot be altered. We cannot alter it. Whatever that is stored in S, that is called this is, or this, whatever it may be, an element cannot be changed. So that's why it is true. Now it says that the reference to the object, object is referring to whom? The matter that is stored. And the next time I said that S is equal to try this, I can alter this one, complete. This complete is referring to the object. That can be altered. So that's why this is also true. So both are true. Now understood? Now have you understood? Is it buffering? Here it is okay. From my side, it is displaying okay. Stream strength is okay over here. Sir, your video is buffering. Okay. A good quality. Now just check it out. The streaming current bit rate is acha. Okay, fine. Everyone, give it clearly. Is it okay? So that I can move to the next question or any explanation is required. Next one. String S is equal to basic. System char at 0 position is less than S dot char at 1 position. Now, here are the options for you. Just check it out. Now check this time. Now is it check this time? String S contains basic. Here it says that char at 0 position is less than char at 1 position. If I can use the relational operator, then it is okay. If it is not, then it is going to show an error message. Now, if it is not going to show error message, it is allowed, then it will give me the output. Whether the output will be in the form of Boolean or in the form of integer. If it is Boolean, what should be the output? If it is integer, what should be the output? So answer is true. Option B, sir. Option C, false. B, A. Different answer I am getting. Implicit conversion to ASCII of the character. Okay. To C, false. To B, implicit conversion हो रहा है. To C, false. Okay. Now few students are deleting their old answer. Okay, fine. To C. Sahil says to C. Fine. Okay, let me explain. Can you tell me what is there in char at 0 position? What is the output? They are in char at 0 position. Ishan Panda, yes sir, 98 is less than 97. Got it. Yes, to C. So here the answer is B. Because 0 position contains alphabet. 0 position contains alphabet B. And 1 position alphabet contain A. So B is less than A. Is false. So this is wrong. So character B is having 98 and character A contains your 97. So 97 is 98 is less than 97. It is false. So we are going to get false now. So B is not the correct answer. Correct answer is C. Those who have given C is the right answer for them. Okay. Next one. String S is equal to this is an apple. System.out.print s.char at I minus A. First of all, is it allowed? If it is not, then what should be the output? Yes, who can say? Three A. Syntax error. Those who are giving syntax error, they should give me the reason why it is a syntax error. If it is going to generate an error message, either runtime or compile time, why it is going to generate error? A is going to generate error. A, it is going to generate error. So char at I minus I, what exactly it is going to do? Option A. Option A. Everyone is saying error, but no one is giving the reason. Acha, video is buffering again. Okay. Now what it? Char at I minus I. What exactly this is first of all? What is the value of I? Who can say? Char at text only. Only what it is given? Only one parameter of type character. Okay. I think because of the network problem, this is happening. Yes, because network problem is there. I think from my side, some internet problem is there. So that's why it is not giving you the proper input. Here it is giving the streaming strength is okay, but here we are not getting. Integer, yes. It is taking our data type of type integer. Okay. So what I is going to do, I minus a. What is there in I? It is going to take its ASCII value. What is a? It is going to take its ASCII value. ASCII value of a is 97. Yes or no? Then ASCII value of I, the gap between a and I, you have to calculate. What is the gap between a and I? Yes. What is the gap between a and I? I is your a is 97. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. That means 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 105. The difference is how much? 3 plus 5. Difference is 8. So find out the eighth character. 0, 1, 2, 3, space is 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is 8. Now, that's why it is going to go for a eighth character. What is the eighth character? We got A. So that's why your output is A. Option D. Understood, everyone? Okay. We'll move towards the next question now. This is an apple. S dot charAt 8 position, where 8 position contains A. Already we have seen this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, space is 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It is targeting for the 8th position character plus A, where A is in single quotes. So is it going to generate error message or it is going to give me the output? Which one? Swastik, previous one. Which one you are unable to understand? Previous one. Let me clear this one. The ASCII value of I and ASCII value of A is subtracted and the gap between them is your 8. A to I gap देख लो आप 8 आएगा. 8 position में character क्या है? 0, 1, 2, 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7 and this is 8. Now in 8th position we have alphabet A. So that's why it is returning A. Swastik, understood? Now this one. We got an answer from Ishan, 162. That is your D. 162 4 D में कहा 162 है? डी में तो ए है. अच्छा ये वाला है आपका आंसर, अभी आया है. ओके, विल गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन. आई थिंक फोर्थ वन, character 8 plus a. Yes, understood. Fine. So here option is 162. Everyone understood this one, how it is 162? Because Ishan already given nicely answer. Got it? Next one. Which of the following is true about charAt method? Provides the character at a given position, takes one parameter, it can be either character or integer, returns the character type data, generates error if invalid position provides, or all of these above. Which one? Yes, which one is now? Answer is E, all of these above. Fine. Now, can anyone tell me how this one is correct? It takes one parameter that may be of type character or maybe of type integer. How this one is correct? Who can explain me? But option D's reason is not valid. Option D reason generates an error if invalid position provides. Think system.out.println s contains 0, 1, 2, 3 only. So I'm saying s dot char at 9 position. Got it? Now when I'm executing, it is showing an error. Can you able to see the screen where the error is displaying? If not, I have to show you the debug screen. Look at this, charAt. Let me show you again. Can you able to see the debug screen now? Where it is saying exception, string, index out of bound exception. Got it? It is going to generate string index out of bounds exception. Yes, right answer, Ayushman. Sir, because the character can implicitly be converted to integer. Yes, good. Because of that reason. Right. Now we'll come back. So I will go with this one. All are correct. Identify the valid statement out of these two. Which one is valid statement? I think few options are there. Hold on. Few options are there which is missing in this. Two more options are there. Now you will get the proper options. Yes, now the proper options are available for you. Let's check which one. S2 dot S1 dot charAt 2 position. Yes, I was telling that no error, but exception. Now first four options is available to you. Yes, four options are available to you. Let me see. Six answers. Any one of you, rest of the candidate, Ruturaj say D. Swastik say D. D is the concept. Which one is valid? First one is invalid. The first one is invalid. Why? Why first one is invalid? Fourth one is valid, you said. Then what is the reason for the first one? Why it is invalid? Specify me the reason why the first one is invalid. Character is stored in string. Character is stored in C. String cannot store character value. Okay. String cannot store character value. Good. Good. Next. Why option B is wrong? Why option B? Option B, because a character cannot stored in a string. Got it? What about option B? Second one is invalid because string cannot store integer value. Got it? Fine, got it. Next. String cannot store integer. Got it. Why third one is invalid? Why option 3 is invalid? That is your C. Option C is invalid. Option B, got it. Option C, string cannot store integer. Got it? I'm talking about option C. Why C is invalid? Why option C is invalid? Character cannot be stored in string. Option C. Option C. Option C is invalid as after the operation it is converted into a int and int cannot be stored directly without double quotes. So invalid. Acha, character cannot be stored in the string. String plus character. Because of string plus character it is invalid. Okay. So after seeing all these options, let's check all these options. Okay. I'm moving towards Java now. Here I am doing. Here we have string. Now here, let me do this one. I am saying S is equal to, I am saying P. Showing error. Got it? Can you able to see the error? It is showing error message because I'm storing character in S. Fine. So it is clear. Now next, what I'm doing? Can you able to see the error one? Yes, red mark at the corner. Red point at the corner is your integer. It is showing error. Let me terminate this one. It is showing error in the left hand side. You can identify. It is showing error. Now, as you said that s dot charAt, whatever may be the position which is the valid position. still it is going to generate an error because it is returning of type character. But when I'm saying this one s dot to uppercase, what is the return type of this? Who can say? Return type of s dot to uppercase. Return type of s dot to uppercase string. Fine, got it. Now there is a confusion in your mind, might be character cannot be added with the string. This is your confusion. Now here I'm doing. Now this is an character A. Then I'm saying is alphabet. Is it clear? I'm executing this. A is an alphabet and it is displaying try this because of this one. Understood everyone? Character is not added. Character is now concatenated. Got it everyone? Here the character is concatenated. Here the character is not added. Understood option C? So now option C is right or wrong? Now the option C is right or wrong? It's correct. Now option D is right or wrong? Next question, option D is right or wrong? Option D now. Correct, sir. Okay, option D. Option D. Option D wrong. If it is wrong, why? Why it is wrong? Okay, got it. Sir, is there an explicit type conversion of string? Are you asking or you are answering? Sahil. There is nothing like string conversion. Ishan Panda. Give an answer to Sahil Patnaik. It's wrong. 100% wrong. Now we don't have any explicit typecasting like this because this is not fundamental data type. This is reference type or class type. So we need to use the wrapper class method to convert it. Is it clear? Yes, good. Because of that reason only. So answer C is only the correct answer. Identify the statement which will display YA. String is not a fundamental data type. Yes, got it. Identify the statement which will display YA. Now we have display statement over here where I'm using charAt with charAt plus concatenated with the space or null, we can say over here. It's null, not space. Now here I'm using substring. Here also I'm using substring, but concatenated with substring again. And we have all of these above. Now it is up to you. 7D, all of the above. Fine, good. Only one candidate has given the answer. What about others? Seven D. Both have given 7D. 7D. D. Yes. Answer is A. Now this is, we need YA. No, this is wrong. Answer A is wrong. Sorry, this answer is wrong. This is not going to give you, because the concatenation is done at the end. This will give you the ASCII value concatenation. Substring 1 comma 3. Now where 1 comma 3 is your 0, 1, 2. This will give you, because 3 is excluded. Now here it said that S1 dot substring 1 to 2. 1 where 2 is excluded. That means it will give you Y. Now here S1 dot substring 2 comma 3. So 2 is included and 3 is excluded. That means it is going to give you A. So this is going to give you YA. Okay. But here it is not going to give. Option A is not going to give. Wrongly answer given A. Okay. It's wrongly given. Let me take you and show you. I'm showing you question number 8. I'm showing you. I'm having string is equal to pyari. I think we are in Java screen. Let me remove all this. I'm having pyari, and the first option I'm trying over here, this one, where concatenation is done at the end. So that's why when I'm executing it, it is going to give you, as I said, that ASCII value. Understood first one? Understood first one? Yes, understood. Let's go for the second one. Second one, as I said, that second parameter is excluded. I'm using println over here so that you can see everything. Second one is excluded. Third is excluded. 1 to 2. So this is 0. This is 1 is included. 2 is included. 3 is excluded. That's why it is going to display you Y. Got it? Now we'll try the third one. Third one is also concatenation. But here one character at a time with the help of your substring. So we'll try this one. Because of println, this one I'm using println. Now you can get it. Now we'll use the fourth one. Fourth one is not available for all of this. Hope I'm clear to everyone. Otherwise, ASCII values. Yes, fine. Now, my question is that rectify this statement so that it will give you YA. Yes. My question is that correct this particular statement which is highlighted so that we can get YA. Who can do this? Those who have not given like, give the like. Will not add the space. If you are not going to add the space, then again it is ASCII value. Again I'm saying, if I'm not going to add space, obviously it is going to be an ASCII value. When I'm adding, it is going to be integer addition. Obviously it is going to be in the form of integer. Yes. Try this, try this. System.println. We will not add the space, sir. No, you are bound in this case. Yes, Ayushman, charAt 1 plus space charAt 2. Yes, one and space. At first. Yes, good. If I'm going to place the space at the first, even if it is null, not needed to be space, here it will work. Here also it will work. If I'm going to add in between, here also it will work, but it should be null. Look at the answer. Everywhere I got Y A, Y A, Y A. It should be null. Null has to be added. Yes, Avijit. Correct answer. Null has to be added at the beginning or at the end. Good. But if I'm going to add null, instead of null, if I'm going to use space, look at over here, I'm using space now. What will be your answer? Instead of null, if I will use space, then what will be the output? Instead of null, yes, null should be added at the first or at the middle also. Asutosh, at the middle also. Y space A. Okay. Everyone is saying Y space A. Second one, Y space A. So be careful what exactly the requirement of the question. According to that, whether it should be space or whether it should be your null. That is most vital. So everyone has understood this one. We'll move towards the next one. Which of the following is not, will not display Sahu? Will not display this. Now we have three options. Now all of this means none of this above will display Sahu. Next question is in front of you. Yes, understood YA, but we have one more question in front of you. Here I'm using, but inside this I'm using s dot length minus 4. Is it allowed? If it is, what will be? Substring 12. Directly we know we can apply this. S dot index of S, S dot index of U. Now here two parameter, this is your comma. So according to the syntax, is it deviating? If it is deviating, it is an error. If it is not deviating, it's not an error. We are going to get the output C. C is system.out.print substring index of S to U is not going to give. Answer is not C, 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 C. Okay. What about others? If you are tell me, I have not understood, so that I will explain. 8C, because last character will be excluded. Output is SAH. Excellent, Ayushman Mahapatra. Good explanation with a proper reason. Yes, I like the candidate who is giving the answer with a perfect one. Ayushman Mahapatra, 8A is correct. Yes, obviously 8A is correct because length minus 1. Whatever length is there, make a minus 4 of it. Now SAHU 4 alphabets are there. Obviously it will move towards the left, 4 characters. It will display. So everyone got this answer, option C. That is, this one is not going to give because index of U position is excluded. Index of U position is excluded over here. If it is excluded, It will go for SAH, not SAHU. Those who have not given the answer, understood? Those who have not given answer. If they have understood, then I will move. Yes, understood. My point is those who have not understood, because they have not understood, they have not answered. If they have not answered, they may have a chance to understand this one. Which one of the following will display true? Identify the statement who is going to display true. Is it Boolean true? First of all, is it Boolean true or string true? Whatever given in the question, is it Boolean or string true? Which one? It is Boolean true or string true? As per the question. Boolean. Good. So according to that, keep that in your mind. Keep that in your mind and write. Find it out which one is the correct one. Boolean B must be in lowercase. Ashutosh. Because Boolean is a constant, it's not a wrapper class. Now its return type is fundamental data type Boolean. B must be in lowercase. Okay. I think we are making dry run. Now it is correct. Okay. Mona Lisa says D. All of the above. There is no variable as S1. That is my mistake. That is my mistake. Wrongly I have given. Slide number 10. Slide number 10. Slide number 10. Everywhere I have used S. Here I did S. No error option is there. Yes, I did a mistake there. Here I had taken S1 and here I had taken S. Rightly identified. Now I rectified it. It was my mistake. It will not show any message because there is no variable S1. I did the correction. Run the above option. That is satisfied, sir. Okay. Got it. Quick. I have given the options again. I rectified it as not S1, it is S. Now everyone is saying D. Final answer. D. Yes. Got it. Anyone needs explanation? Yes, Mona Lisa Parida D. Got it. Subhasmita Das D. Yes, answer is D. Write a single line statement to display AE. I want to display AE from the string. Now you have to write a single line statement to do this. Write down the statement and send it to me. Write down the statement and tell me which one. Now this time we have to write down the statement. Last time statements were given. Now this time I'm having a question for which you need to write down the statement itself. I think you are writing the statement. Read the question, what the requirement of the question. According to that, start writing. System.out.print s.charAt 0 position plus s.charAt 4 position. Okay, I got one answer. Next question, Ayushman Mahapatra s.charAt 0. Why deleted? This is called the learning outcome question. आपने क्या सीखा अभी तक? This is simply a learning outcome question. If you have understood it properly, then your answer will be correct now. If you are not understood perfectly, your answer will be wrong. Mona Lisa Parida string. S must be capital. Object is missing Mona Lisa. After string, object has to be there. Okay. Let's analyze the first answer given by Subhasmita Das. S.charAt 0 plus S.charAt 4. Is it correct? Everyone just verify. S.charAt 0, S.4 charAt 4. 0 position contains A. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 position contains E. Is it going to give me AE? Quickly give your answer. Sorry, sir, left space. It will be between both. Carrot. Okay. Understood now. Next question answer is given by. Now verify the answer. Ruturaj. Verify your answer. Asutosh, correct answer. Ishan, correct answer. Ayushman, correct answer. Arpita, correct answer. Swastik, wrong answer. SOP cannot be used. Then this is correct answer given by Arpita, length -1. We can use, these are called learning outcomes. What you have learned, so many ways we can write. Without null, it won't concatenate. Yes. No, sir, wrong. Okay, SOP 0 and 4. Ayushman, it is okay. Got it. It will cover the, yes, it will go for an ASCII value. So that's why Mona Lisa Parida, again you did the mistake. First thing is that space or null is not available. If I'm going to use space, it will give me A space E. So I cannot use space in between. Is it clear? The null has to be added at the beginning or at the middle. Mona Lisa, make the necessary changes in your answer. And it is saying write a single statement to display, not to store. Whose charAt position? Mona Lisa. Yes, object is missing. Mona Lisa, object is also missing. As dot charAt, that is missing, and it is not showing to store the data. It is saying display the data. Number two, string, उसके बाद object नहीं है. String object then equals to. Next, write a single line statement to display the following. Input is given apple and output should be APPLE, where both the P's, identify both the P's are in capital letter, uppercase. Now we have to write down the statement. Okay, Mona Lisa, just try to rectify it and send it again quickly so that your answer will be correct subsequently. Yes, good, Swastik. We need an object, not variable, string object, where the object is available. Mona Lisa, do the necessary changes and send it again so that later on you can able to write the correct answer. Should I wait? If you are unable, then I will do. S dot replace lowercase p, comma, capital letter P, charAt. Sir, in which variable it is stored? Write a single statement to display the following. Subhasmita, read the question. Ishan Panda, S dot replace P, comma P, Sai Subhankar. Sai Subhankar, I think this is your first answer. After your good evening, this is your first answer. P, comma P, system, SOPB, system order. It says that write down a single statement, Pruthuraj. Sorry, Sai Subhankar, not two statements. Mona Lisa, S dot charAt 0, charAt 4. Acha, previous answer, this one. Okay, Mona Lisa. Previous answer where S must be in capital letter. Mona Lisa, S must be in capital letter. System dot dot P replace with P. System dot dot print replace P with P. Ashutosh, just check your answer. Subhasmita. Okay. Ashutosh, check your answer. Where you did the mistake? Character should be in single quotes. Yes, rightly identified. Bracket is missing. What identified? Yes, good identification. Subhasmita, good identification. Everyone is missing one more bracket at the end. That's why Ruturaj, Ishan, and another close bracket is missing. Good. Asutosh, your object is missing. Replace में आपका object is missing. Number one. Number two, single quotes are also missing. Okay, good. Now write a program to accept a sentence and display each word. We have already done this one. So quickly I am going through input just for a recap. This is the demo. Output should be each word of the sentence. This is demo. Now let's make it right on like this. This is demo. So word, we have to store the word. First I will check, is it a space? It is false. So that's why it will be a part of a word. Again H is a space, false. That's why it will be a part of a word. Now the mechanism of adding is word plus current character. The current character is this time H. So T plus H become your TH. Next time, is it a space? False. So that's why we are getting THI. TH plus I becomes your THI. Next, S, not a space. So TH plus I is your THIS. Space. Once I got a space, display the output this. After that, we'll check it again and make it null. So this word has to be null again, because I need to store one more word over here. So I'm checking I is false. Again, it is concatenated with the null. That's why it is I. S, the space false. So that's why it is concatenated. Is true now, space. So that's why I will display it and I will make it what? Null. I'm not going to do this one because everyone is aware of this. The next question is in front of you. This is only a recap for all of you. Now, here is a question for you. Write a program to define a method check word, which will receive a word and will return true. What is going to return? True. If the parameter word contains only letters or only alphabets, otherwise it will return false. Okay. So let's start this one. So I'm in Java screen now. As per the question, we have to define the method first. So because of that reason, I have to think about three things. So the question is, what are the three things to identify from the question to define a method? Quickly, what are the three things that I need to identify from the question while writing a method program? Quick. Everyone got the question what I'm asking? I'm saying that we have to identify three things in a question while writing a method. What are they? Yet I have not received any answer from anybody. I got it. Method name, number one, will receive the parameter or not. Number two, what is the return type? Return type is needed. Parameter is needed. Sai Subhamkar, you have not understood what I was asking. What are the three things that I need to identify in a question? Return type, parameter, method name. Just like Arpita and Subhasmita given. Swastik also, return type, method name and parameter if any. Now, according to the question, I'm going for the question now. According to the question, now identify these three things. Identify the three things from the question now. Method name, return type, parameter if any. Good. Method name. Now, identify these three from the question. Yes, quickly identify return type, method name and parameter. Quickly identify these three. Return type boolean. Okay, I'm going with you, whatever you said. So I'm saying boolean. Yes, next what you said. Method name is show word. Okay, convinced. Show word. Yes. Next parameter, if any, what you are saying. Return type boolean. Return type boolean. Return type, got it. Parameter string wd. Okay, convinced. String wd word. After header, after method header, what is required? String s. Okay, got it. Method name, check word, got it. So what nahi, check word hai. Let me check, even I am not sure. Check word, yes. Method name is check word, not show word. Check word, yes. After this, curly braces, start. Good. This is called your body of the method. Begin and close. Okay. Inside this, what is my first job? What is the first statement inside the body according to the question? According to the question, what should I do? If it is contains only alphabets, after the method header, method body, starting with the curly braces, is it okay? Got it. Now, what should be there in a body? Scanner not required. Have here. So calculation, fine, got it. Int c is equal to 0, got it. Int I is equal to 0, I is less than w dot length. Then wd plus plus. How it can be wd plus plus or pita? So I need for loop for int c is equal to 0. C is less than wd dot length. Then c plus plus. Don't you think that you are missing? Don't you think that you are missing something inside this? Don't I need any pre-processing to identify? Mona Lisa Parida says C is equal to 0. Sai Subhankar says B is equal to null. Subhasmita says that W is equal to null. Why W is equal to null, Subhasmita? May I know the reason? As per this question, is it required? Subhasmita and Sai. Pre-processing. Yes, Sai Subhankar. Pre-processing is required, but what exactly the pre-processing must be? String B is equal to null. What is the need of B is equal to and W is equal to null? I am unable to understand. I am unable to understand what is the need of it. Pre-processing, who can say? Object to store the word, not required. Not required, it itself is having a word. एक ही word है उसमें. I need to take a flag. INTF is equal to -1. Now inside this, I will extract a character, curly bracket. Char ch is equal to wd dot charAt c position. Now tell me, up to this I did. What is the need of storing word? Not required, Sai Subhankar. Sir, can you show the question? Yes, obviously. Definitely, definitely. You are not going through the question. So that's why you did a mistake. I'm showing you the question again. Look at the question. Go through the question. Go through the question, I will say. Read the question again. You are doing mistake in a question. Character is letter is equal to equals to true. Ayushman Mahapatra. Yes, sir. Understood the question. Now I'm going back to the programming part now. After extracting the character, as Ayushman Mahapatra said that I will check whether it is letter or not. Character dot is letter ch is equals to true. If it is true, then what should I do? If it is true, then what should I do? Semicolon is not required at the end. I think by mistake you have given. F is equal to 2 break. Good. Both Ayushman and Subhasmita, can you check your answer? Both Ayushman and Subhasmita, can you check your answer? Okay. If it is an alphabet, I will set the flag to anything. If I'm saying 1, got it? Then once I got it is a letter. So do I need to make it true? If it is, then I will come out of it. I will check if. What should I check? What should I check now? As per Ayushman, he said F is equal to 2 and break. Yes, understood. Instead of 2, I did 1. And he's saying that make break. So I'm using break. So is it going to work as per the Ayushman's logic? I don't think F is equal to 2 and break will work. Yes. Correctly identified by Subhasmita, it will be false. If is letter is equals to false. That means if it is not a letter, then change it and come out of it. Then change it and come out of it. Excellent. I'm really happy. Good. And then break. Change the flag and then break. Excellent, excellent. Good, Subhasmita. Next, after that, what should be the if condition? You said f is equal to -1. Yes, if it is -1, break is not needed, sir. Okay. Sir, we can extract a character through the loop. Then inside the loop, we can check if it is a character or not. If it is not a character, it will return false and do do a break. Sir, but I had given if the statement according to the false before. Why false before? If I'm saying true over here, I'm coming out of it. So if it is having APP2, APP2, in that case your first alphabet, it is true. It is coming out of it, Ayushman. Try to do the dry run, Ayushman. Try to do the dry run. I'm showing you over here. If user has given APP2, first character is your A, the character is your A, and here it is true, and it is changing the flag and coming out of it. That means if it is an alphabet, it is coming out of it. Well, it should not. Okay. Now, what should be the if condition? Somebody said that f is equals to -1. If it is -1, then what should I return, true or false? No, sir, I had written the if statement before. Before matlab kahan? In comments. Sorry, I mean live chat. और कौन सा इफ कंडीशन चाहिए होगा बेटा इससे पहले? if character dot isLetter is equals to false. Yes, got it, you have given false, but you somebody has given true. Okay, so if it is equals to -1, what should I return? Swastik says that return true. What about others? What you feels? Quick, we are getting late. Next time onwards, I will reduce the MCQ questions because we are unable to do the program. Yes, you are saying true. Fine. This f is equal to -1. Then I will say return true, else return false. Main method. Quickly give me your answer for main method. Quick in a main method. ओम प्रसाद पाणीग्राही ज्वाइन टू क्विक, बहुत जल्दी ज्वाइन किया ओम. Okay, quick. What is the process of main method? Create an object of the class. Now after that I need to call the method. Object name dot method name and parameter. So here object name is pm dot method name and parameter. Here I am using the parameter. Look at over here. Look at the output what it is asking. According to that we have to write. This must be based on your output. So output is saying like this. Look at over here. I'm taking you to the slide again for the output. Check out the output as Subhasmita requested last time. How we should display the result. Now here is different type of results are available. Now according to this we have to write down the statement. Check the output. Based on that only we are going to write. Scanner class will be created. Got it. Fine. Scanner class will be created. So we'll come back over here. We cannot pass a constant over here because it is displaying the word itself. So that's why I will say scanner. So I cannot take SS because already SS is taken over here. New scanner, inside which I will say system dot in, give a message system dot out dot print, enter a word, then string w is equal to sc dot next because it is a word. Then I will call, I will pass w. Now up to this, is something missing? Now tell me, is something missing? I've written everything. Now you have to tell me, is something is missing over here? Sir, it is returning. So we have to declare a variable int b is equal to pm dot check word s. Now everyone just check the answer given by the Sai Subankar. Is it correct? Yes, sir. Call is not stored. Not call. Return value is not stored. Now, according to that, Sai Subankar has given a statement to store the return value of the method. Is it correct? It should be stored. Yes, got it, Ayushman. Because of that reason, his explanation is given by Sai Subankar. Method call. Subhasmita, method call will be stored. Method call nahi beta. Subhasmita, method return value needs to be stored in a variable. So just go through the answer given by Sai Subhankar. He has used PM is the object name. Just verify the answer. PM is the object name dot check word S. Is it clear? Check word S he has used. Yes, it should be stored. Got it? Got it? We have to store the return value. Now check the answer I said or write your own answer. Sir, in Sai Suvankar, the parameter will be W. Yes, Sai Suvankar. Good identification. One more. One more. One more. Subhasmita missing. Yes, understood, Subhasmita. Parameter is wrong. One more error is there. We should take return value in the form of Boolean Sai Subhankar. But you have taken INTB to store the data. We have to store pm.checkword.w in a Boolean variable. Good. Return type must be suitable where I am storing. So here it should be Boolean res is equal to pm.checkword.w. After coming out of it, I will check if res is equals to true. Then I will display the message. According to the requirement of the question, you have to tell me. Check the output. According to that only, we'll write down the output. Just look at it and tell me how I should write now. Just tell me now how I should write. No need to say sorry, Subhankar. Just take care of all those things. Just take care of all those things. Okay. So, according to the output, here it says that the word is a common one. So, I will say the word. The constant value is the word. The word. After that, it was displaying the word. Just check it out in your output. It was displaying the word. So that's why I will say plus W, again plus, again after that contains only letters if it is true. So I will give the message again, contains only letter. In the else part, again it was displaying you in the else part. Again it was displaying the word. Again it was displaying the word itself. After that, not contains only letters. So here I will only use not contains only letters. And here must be letters. Now let's execute this. I am giving THE. The word contains only letters. THE. I am using TH2. TH2S. The word TH2S not contains only letters. Now understood? Good. Any doubt from your side? If it is not, then good night. If you have any doubt, you are feel free to ask. Otherwise, this is the time to wind up now. Good night. Now here is a question for all of you because we are unable to do max. So how many MCQs you want in every live class? 5 or 10? 10 takes little bit more time. So number of programs is reduced. So that's why I said that we'll reduce the number of questions to 5. So based on your options, we'll do the next live classes.